Okay, now I'm going to do the demo on this motorized test stand. Okay, we're going to do the test to break this paper sample into two pieces, and this knob is about to adjust the speed from 0 mm per minute to 500 mm per minute. Okay, now we set it to 30 mm per minute as for this test purpose. Okay, after set it, we press upward button to start. As you can see, the load is going up. Okay, now the paper is ready to break in two pieces, and the maximum torque value, force value will be 149.6 newtons. Okay, thanks for watching.